Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your RedNote app display name. Go ahead and open the RedNote app and tap on me at the bottom right. Here we can see my current display name or account name. Now to change this name, first of all you have to add and verify your mobile number in RedNote. To do that, tap on settings and here tap on account settings, tap on mobile and go ahead and add and verify your mobile number first of all. Once you're successfully verified, now this time to change your display name. So from your RedNote profile page, tap on profile and tap on your name. And now tap on your name and go ahead and change your display name and then tap on save and your RedNote display name will be updated. Thanks for watching.